Hey, Marcus. Can I ask you something personal?
Sure, Marina. You can ask me anything.
What's on your mind?
I want to understand you better. I think good relationships start with trust.
I agree. Trust doesn't happen fast. It grows step by step.
Exactly. So let's start simple. When do you feel most comfortable with someone?
I feel comfortable when I can be myself. When I don't need to pretend.
So honesty is important to you.
Yes, very important. If I can be honest, I feel safe.
I feel the same way. When someone listens without judging, I trust them more. What kind of things make you trust a person?
Small actions. Like keeping promises.
Even small promises matter.
Exactly. Small promises show big character.
I like that. For me, consistency builds trust.
That's a good point. Being the same person every day matters.
What value is most important to you in life?
Respect. Respect for people and feelings.
That's a strong value. I think respect keeps relationships healthy.
Without respect, love feels empty.
For me, kindness is very important.
I can feel that in the way you speak.
Has someone ever broken your trust?
Yes, a long time ago. It was painful.
Did it change you?
Yes, it made me more careful. But I learned not everyone is the same.
That's not easy to learn.
No, but it's important.
How do you usually show you care about someone?
I listen carefully. I remember small details.
That's very meaningful. People feel valued when they feel heard.
I agree.
I show care by supporting people, especially when they feel weak. What helps build trust day by day?
Being honest, even when it feels uncomfortable.
Yes, truth is sometimes hard. But lies destroy trust.
Exactly. Trust needs honesty to survive.
Do you think people can grow together?
Yes, if they communicate openly. Silence can damage relationships.
I believe talking solves many problems.
Asking the right questions helps too.
That's why I like conversations like this. What do you appreciate about our talks?
They feel real and relaxed. I don't feel judged.
That makes me happy to hear. I feel comfortable too. Thank you for sharing your thoughts with me.
Thank you for asking meaningful questions.
We should talk like this more often.
Definitely. That's how real trust is built.